just sounds so good, doesn't it? Guys, hello and welcome to Grease Garage, where we turbo weird stuff like a twin turbo Triton and like a turbo Pajero. And man, that thing just sounds amazing. Josh there pulling some notes on the sand. Now quickly, we want to talk about, before we show you what it actually made on the dyno, what he's done to the car that you guys haven't seen. So one thing he did, he did upgrade that turbo. He's now using a pulsar turbo instead of the max speeding rod turbos. I will show the picture of it here. Another thing that he has done is on the passenger side, he's got his mate Josh. He has done that, and then he's chucked it on into his dyno. He's the new tuner, and he did a fantastic job. I can't praise him enough. The car runs smooth. He's put on some rolling anti-lag, which sounds amazing. And we can't wait to show you all that stuff in due time. But we're gonna get right to it. We're gonna show you the highest power, well, actually it was the second highest power, the pull that really just got me pumping, all right? So let's show it right now. That was epic! How good was that? Now, the max power that Josh made on the night was 641 horsepower. So the person who gets that correctly, this shirt is now yours, and I'll get in contact with you soon. Now guys, this isn't the end of the Pajero, because that was not its final form. Believe it or not, that car still has more to give. So the first thing is the injectors, we maxed them out. 1,250 cc's. They were at 97, 95% duty cycle, so no more out of them. The other thing is, that car had more timing to give. So we have more timing to put into it, which means obviously more power. It was not knocking at all. Then also that turbo. So the turbo that Josh has got onto it, great turbo, but the rear housing looks like it might be a bit restrictive, limiting that turbo flowing enough. So he's gonna put a bigger rear housing on it, because if you look at the dyno sheet, you can see that it does roll over a little bit after about $5,000. So yeah, there's more to give. And another thing is, this is not the end of Pajero stuff, guys. We will see Josh roll race. We're gonna see it do a quarter mile. We're gonna put it up against other Grease Garage cars and do all sorts of stuff. So don't worry, there's gonna be more of that as well. I'd like to say thank you, Josh, for letting me be a part of your project, helping me build something really, really cool and amazing, and something that's just not your normal. If you guys are in Perth and you want a tuner or a guy to do some stuff, go check out Josh at JPS-motorsport, or Tosh as I like to call him. Yeah guys, so keep watching. We got other projects coming along. Subscribe, like, and I'll see you on the next one.